I'm Miss Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. On Thursdays, I'm sharing fun snacks that you can make with your kids. Today, let's make some simple cinnamon sugar cookies. Instead of cookie dough, these use pie crust. I'm using store-bought sheets of pie dough to make it even easier, but I first learned to make these cookies from my grandmother when she would give me the leftover dough from her pies. Thanks for joining me today. Check back tomorrow for a Physical Friday activity. Bye, friends.